everybody, and thank you for stopping by my channel. It's Beautiful Black Rican, where beauty is ageless. I'm here today to tell you about this month's Kiss Me by Liveglam, February. And if you don't know about Liveglam, it is a monthly beauty subscription where you can get a Lippie subscription, eyeshadow subscription, or a Morphe brush subscription. I love Lippies, so I am getting the Lippie subscription, which is 3 Lippies each month for $19.99. If you use my link below, you will get 1 free Lippie with your first month's subscription, okay? Now let me show you how much I love my Lippies. I have been with Kiss Me by Liveglam for probably over a year now, and these are just some. I won't pull them all out. Hold on. Do you see this madness? I love my Lippies. These things are the bomb. They last all day. And I have some really beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. So let's get into February. All right, in your Lippies, you always get a postcard that tells you what this month is. And this month is Cuter Than Cupid. And then on the back, it gives you the names of your Lippies. You also get this cute little bag. Isn't that adorable? If you don't know, I am a pink girl. I love pink, 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 pink. So this suits me just fine. And inside are the Lippies. So let's go. I'm gonna open this up and see what the design is this month. Oh, how pretty. Look at that, you guys. I love them. And I actually have 2 of the colors on today, but we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's go through them. All right, so the first one is Cupid. And she says, consider this Lippie your official babe magnet. The satin metallic bubblegum pink shade is ready to spread the love and has a gorgeous finish that'll make your heart melt. Let's swatch her. I am not the greatest at swatches. Please forgive me. Look how pretty. I love her. All right, that was number 1. The second is Kissaholic. Boom. Kissaholic, this true matte pink is everyone's type. Not only is this shade flattering on all skin tones, but it'll look perfect with any Valentine's Day look and get you some extra kisses. Let's watch her. Boom. Very pretty. And the last one, boom. Mi Amor, you're going to love this shade very much. This matte bold Lippie is ready to take things to the next level and be your go-to for any romantic occasion. Beautiful. She is actually on my lips as well as Cupid. Let's swatch her so you can see her on my hand. Boom. Look how gorgeous these colors are. Oh my goodness. So anyway, this month was actually called Cuter Than Cupid, and I agree. These colors are cuter than Cupid. Like I said, I have Mi Amor on my lips, and in the center I have Cupid. So these are the 3 Lippies for February. I am a little late. My subscription is a little late, but it's okay. I still have them. They are beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. If you don't have your Lippies by Liveglam, click on the link below. Like I told you, for your first month, you will get 1 free Lippie by using my link below. Otherwise, just go to the site and sign up. It's not gonna hurt anything. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by my channel, Beautiful Black Rican, and finding out about this great monthly subscription, Kiss Me by Liveglam. I hope that I have convinced you to try it. I have really built up my collection of beautiful lippies, so if you love lipstick like I do, it's not a bad deal at all. Anyway, again, thank you for stopping by my channel, Beautiful Black Rican. Have a blessed and wonderful day, and remember, beauty is ageless. Bye-bye, everybody.